Hello. Welcome to this demonstration for PTEM PathWave Test Executive for Manufacturing. In this video, we'll explore 3 simple methods for creating switch paths using PTEM Switch Manager workspace. PTEM Switch Manager offers a graphical approach to switch system setup. Instead of working directly with relay numbers, engineers build connection diagrams and define switch paths visually. This method provides clear schematics, simplifies relay matrix management, and streamlines test plan development. By visualizing signal routing, configuration errors drop, and troubleshooting becomes faster. It's a practical tool for maintaining complex test systems efficiently. For this demonstration, I've already created a simple test setup consisting of a digital multimeter, a power supply, and a switch matrix. Let's launch Switch Manager. The instruments available in this test plan are listed in the side panel and can be easily added into the workspace. We'll begin by creating a new connection. In this example, we'll connect the DMM and power supply to the DUT so we can power the device and measure its output. Let's add the instruments and DUT into the workspace. We will need the DMM, E8782A switch, the power supply, and the DUT. The first method is drag and connect. Simply drag between ports to create the connection links between instruments, the switch matrix, and the DUT. If a connection is incorrect, it can be removed and recreated easily. Once the links are in place, select the E8782A switch and assign the required via point relays. For the DMM, I'll use ABUS 1 and ABUS 2 for the high and low measurement ports. The second method is click and select. Right-click a port and select the destination port from the drop-down list. This provides a quick and precise way to create connections. For the power supply, I'll connect the high output to instrument port 10 and the low output to instrument port 11. For the relay assignments, I'll use ABUS 3 and ABUS 4 respectively. With that, both the DMM and power supply are connected through the switch matrix. Now let's save the configuration and export it to a backup file. The exported file provides a convenient backup of the connection setup and can also be reused across multiple test plans. This helps reduce repetitive setup work and supports better collaboration between engineering teams. If we look at the exported file, we can see the device definitions, connection links, and switch path information that make up the configuration. The third method is to create the connections by editing and importing a backup file. This approach is particularly useful when updating larger configurations or when connections are generated externally. To add the DUT connection, I'll enter the required instrument and port information in the links section. When the file is imported, Switch Manager automatically rebuilds the graphical connection diagram. Next, in the switch path section, I'll define the via point relays required for the connection. Once the updates are complete, let's import the CSV file back into Switch Manager. You can see that the DUT link connections has been automatically generated and added to the diagram. And the associated via point relay assignments have been included as well. We've now seen 3 methods for creating switch connections in PTEM Switch Manager: drag and connect, click and select, and by editing the backup file. These methods provide the flexibility to build, maintain, and reuse connection definitions while reducing manual effort and improving traceability. That brings us to the end of this demonstration. To learn more about PTEM and other manufacturing test solutions, visit the Keysight Hands-On YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.